Hello guys, today I would like to show you how to fire a postback per each lead gathered on your offer site. In order to do so, I have created a real simple page with this form. Of course, we could use a click trigger to fire a postback per each click on this contact us button, but in this case, it would fire and record a conversion even if someone didn't fill in those values and just hit contact us. So for example, if I'm clicking it right now without filling anything, it would already fire a postback, which would be a false conversion. So in order to configure it properly, we need to use a different type of trigger. So first of all, I'm going to my Google Tag Manager and I'm going to my triggers and I need to configure new trigger type. I will call it form submission and I'm choosing form submission type. Also, I can check to wait for this page to load other tags. In this case, I don't need it, but I will copy this exact address of my website to make sure that it only fires on this website. So I'm choosing some forms, choosing click URL contains this. So in this case, this trigger will only happen on pages containing this value. And I will also check this check validation. I can use it, but actually within this type of form it is not necessary. I can choose some parameters, for example, if the click class fits click class of this button. But in this case I don't need to do it. I will show you how it works in a moment. So I'm saving my trigger. What I also need is the variable which I'm using within the campaign, and I need a new custom conversion type. For me it is lead, and I will use one of those parameters like sign up lead or email to recognize it as the lead conversion. So I'm going back to my campaign, and in this campaign for my offer I'm using CLID variable to capture the click ID value. So I need to make sure that my variable is visible in here. It is in here, CLID URL query CLID. Alright, so the last thing I need to do is to create a tag, which would be my postback. So I will call it form submission postback. Now I'm choosing a custom image and I'm providing my postback URL. Now I'm connecting my CID with my CLID parameter, and also I need to provide event time parameter equals lead, and I'm choosing my trigger to be form submission and I'm hitting save. Okay, I suppose everything is ready now, so I need to get back to my volume account to copy my whole campaign URL. So far this campaign has 3 conversions but 0 leads recorded. So I'm getting to my preview mode and I'm testing it. I hit connect, I go through the campaign URL, I open my form. Right, we can see that the form submission postback hasn't been fired yet. So let's do a test. Let's try to fake our form. It's this one. Alright, I have clicked it many times. As you can see, all of the clicks were recorded, but actually the postback wasn't fired yet. So now I need to get back to my form. I need to provide a name, email. It needs to be an email form, so it needs to contain at, etc. And let's type in test message, and now let's hit contact us. As you can see, the form has been correctly submitted, and actually there is a type of trigger form submit which fired my postback. So now let's see if it is correctly recorded in volume. Let's refresh my statistics. So far 3 conversions and no leads. Let's hit refresh. As you can see, there is +1 general conversion and +1 lead type conversion. Thank you guys, bye.